आता पळोवया गोंयच्या बाकीच्या वाठारांतल्यो कांय खबरो.
18 जूनाक क्रांती दीस. ते फाटभुंयेचेर काँग्रेसाचो आदलो विदेश वेव्हार मंत्री एदवार्द फालेरो क्रांतिकारक टीबी कुन्नाचे बरोवप रिपब्लिश करचें म्हण मागता. विधानसभेत खंय गोंयच्या क्रांतिकारकांचे फोटो लावचे.
Now talking about, I mentioned to you, need to have the portrait of Dr. T.B. Konkani and other freedom fighters and Goa leaders in the assembly, just like is done in parliament. Number one. Number two, important, Dr. T.B. Konkani was a writer of great eminence, and he wrote denationalization of Goans and other things which are very important for us and for future generations to be motivated in that direction. So that selected writings of the Dr. T.B. Konkani are out of print now, are out of print. So they should be republished by the government. These are two things, points I am making. Put the portraits of T.B. Konkani, other freedom fighters and Goa leaders in the assembly, just like is done in parliament and in many state assemblies, and then publish or republish the book of Dr. T.B. Konkani, which is out of print, because it was very helpful to motivate our people. You see now and in generations to come.
गोवा स्टेट इनोव्हेशन काउन्सिल आणि ईडीसीच्या चीफ मिनिस्टर स्टार्टअप चॅलेंजीचो इनाम वांटपाचो सुवाळो पणजे जालो. ईडीसी खंय बायल उद्योजकांक उर्बा दिता.
The journey of last 40 years of EDC, it has been a great journey supporting entrepreneurs at various stages in Goa. EDC started somewhere in 1975, and as old as I am, this is a 400 crore company, 400 plus crore net worth of company which is producing profits since last 2 years and giving back to the society also in terms of corporate social responsibilities. Our government is very well encouraging a lot of industries, especially the women entrepreneurs, and I am really happy that today's the startup award winner is a woman herself, and this is our aim.
Save the waters of Goa, the revolution. Goa for giving an रू दे ओरेमात वॉटर फेस्टिवल दवरला. आयतारा क्रांती दीस आणि फादर्स डे दिसा 18 जूनाक हो फेस्टिवल जातलो.
The program that we are having on Sunday, as you know, Sunday is 18th of June, which is Goa Revolution Day. It also happens to be Father's Day on the same day. So why have we selected this day? If the waters of Goa have to be saved, it can only be saved by a revolution, and a revolution where all of us get involved, where all of us participate in enthusing people on the ground to get involved. It's very easy to speak big things and give big philosophies. It will not work unless people are available on ground to work with people on the ground. I would not say much more. Goa Forgiving is known for its work in the Kampal Creek.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
गोंयांत फुटबॉल रेफरींचो उणाव भरपूर जाणवता म्हणून गोंय फुटबॉल असोसिएशनान नव्या पद्दतीन रेफरी एंट्रन्स कोर्स दवरला. शेनवारा हो कोर्स मडगांवां सुरू जातलो. कोर्सांत कॉलेजींतले भुरगे, फुटबॉल प्लेयर, दादले आनी बायलो वांटो घेवंक शकतात. रेफरीचो कोर्स आनी करियरा विशीं लोकांक कळचें, भुरगे हो करियर करूंक फुडें सरचे म्हणून जीएफएन मिडिया कडेन उलयले.
We have decided to develop new referees in the state of Goa. Refereeing today is a career. आज गोंया भितर 2200 सुमार वर्साक मॅचीस जाता गोंयांत, आनी आमचे कडेन रेफरीज आसा फक्त 100 ते 125. रेफरीज क्वॉन्टिटी आनी क्वॉलिटी वाडोवपाक गोवा फुटबॉल असोसिएशनान फाल्यां एक न्यू एंट्रन्स कोर्स फॉर रेफरीज आयोजीत केल्लो आसा, आनी तो फाल्यां मडगांवां नेहरू स्टेडियमार स्टार्ट जातलो. उद्देश इतलोच सांगपाक की आज वर्ल्ड कप लेवलार युरोपियन चॅम्पियनशीप जाता किंवा लीग जाता, तितून प्रोफेशनल रेफरीज, प्रोफेशनल फिल्डांतले रेफरीज आसता, म्हणल्यार डॉक्टर्स, इंजिनियर्स, लॉयर्स, एक रेफरींग म्हणून कॅरियर असो परस्यू करता. तर गोंया भितरूय अशे रेफरीज डेव्हलप जाल्ले आमकां जाय, आनी आमी चडांत चड करून उलो जे फुटबॉल खेळूंक सोदताले पूण खेळूंक पावले ना तांकां एक ओपनिंग म्हणून आमी रेफरींग डिपार्टमेंटान भितर सरपाक एक उलो करता. आमी सगळ्या दोनी लॉ कॉलेजींनी तशेंच गोवा मेडिकल कॉलेज सगळे इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेजींनी इन्विटेशन धाडटा आतां की रेफ्री जावपाक ताणें फुडें सरचें म्हणून भुरग्यांनी. बायलांनी चड करून कित्याक मारिया रिबेलोस जावं उवेना फर्नांडीस हाणें बरें आंतरराष्ट्रीय मोळाचेर रेफरिंग करून नामना जोडलेली आहा. तर बोथ males as well as females, there is a big opening for referees, and other states are also asking us for services of referees.
Refereeing is not difficult at all. If you see the laws of the game, it is so simple to understand, but it's only the interpretation of the laws which is a little of a concern. But that can be sorted out by, in fact, having match practices. It is only through match practices that a referee understands what is the interpretation of the law. And today it is more a job where you need courage. And without courage, it would be difficult for one to be a referee.
हे बुलेटिन हांगाच सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबुक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.